Hi, this is James with Quirky QRP Ham Radios, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to connect the ZipTenna to an FT3DR. Simply remove the battery, and you want to locate the lanyard connection point here, and that's where the ZipTenna is going to connect. Next, you want to remove the round keyring from the metal triangle. Once you have that removed, you want to take this piece, which is the lariat, and you want to loop it through the lanyard hole on your radio. Once it's through the hole, then take the metal piece and put it back through the lariat so that it connects. Now, reconnect the keyring to the metal triangle. And reconnect your battery. And now the ZipTenna is attached and ready to operate. Remember, it's a passive counterpoise, so it's capacitively coupled to the radio and the antenna.